It is raining out here. Yo, can you guys hear that? Yo, but right now we're on our way to our cousin's shop. He's gonna redo the exhaust on this car. We're about to give you a cold start and show you guys how this Yonaka sounds. It doesn't sound good, guys. Sounds a little ricey. So we got a vibrant muffler that we're gonna put on. Hear that, guys? From here, cold starts don't sound good, but once you're taking off, yeah, this thing is not it. So I'm gonna see, maybe he gives us a couple of revs once it warms up a little bit. And sorry if yeah, if you guys could hear that, guys, we're gonna show you guys this before and then the after. Yeah, you guys, that's not it. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go to my cousin's shop. He's gonna weld us the muffler, and we got the muffler right here, guys. Boom. Let's show them. Let's show them.
Got a little Vibrant jump.
Vibrant Joan. It was on a EG Coupe, but it's way too long. Yeah. So we're gonna show you guys how long that is, and then yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of in-car drive, so you guys can hear the exhaust. Let's see. Let's see. It does pop a lot. It gives us some good pops and gurgles.
You're about to hear some little pop.
It's a little annoying though.
We're ready for the change.
We're coming in hot to the shop. Ooh, look, speed 3. Ooh. Look at that jump. Look at Giga already with the twisted. Hell yeah. Aquí andamos, mira. Oh, we're in the shop. I can smell that E85. Giga's whip. He got it tuned. We'll post videos of it getting tuned. It did make 300 horsepower. To the wheel. And 300 in these cars, man, it feels fast as hell. It be pushing. Can't wait for me to do a review on this and go on a ride along so you guys can also experience how it drives, guys. But yeah, we're in the shop. We're about to look at this other one. Oh, look at this. It has a Integra front end. What you guys think? Look at that. This one's gonna be up for sale soon. If any of you guys are interested, hit me up, let me know. You can hit us up on the Instagram. But yeah, it's gonna be for sale soon. And we're about to pull the EG in and do the exhaust on that jump too. Oh snap, look at that. Look at that, guys. Do two-step. Motherfucker's loud. Hell yeah. I can't wait till the tanky feels like that and does that as well. It smells so good. I like that smell of corn, man. Alright guys, we'll catch you guys in a bit. Yeah. Yo, we got the exhaust out. This is a Yonaka one.
Yo,
This is the Vibrant.
My people, so I had plastic dip these wheels, but I think I'm tired of that. I'm tired of the black, so I think I'm gonna go back to bronze.
So what you about to do?
So I'm about to just start peeling it off.
Whoa, go, keep going. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see if it worked good. Yo, if you guys ever plastic dip your wheels, make sure you guys put heavy ass coats. How many coats you put on this, Mano?
Around 4 or 5? 5?
Yeah. Look at how easy it's peeling off.
Yo, for real, not bad at all.
Because if you put too little, that's when you have a problem peeling them. But yeah, look, this is the exhaust. This is the Vibrant one that we're gonna put on. But you can see how much longer it is a little bit. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna cut the pipe right here on this side, so we don't have to weld that anymore. So we're gonna cut it right here, weld this flange more over here, bolt it up. We should be good to go, guys. So yeah, stay tuned when we're welding. Who's our welder here? Oh, Keegan. But yo, look at that. You're still going?
Yeah.
Yo. That looks so satisfying.
Like tape, bro, like tape.
Hopefully the camera doesn't die, but we'll see. We'll keep going. We'll keep going.
Bro, what the fuck? It's never that easy.
Do like a time lapse on this place.
Nah, it looks so satisfying. Look at that.
Yeah, for real. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all lucky missed this color wheel though. Not gonna
Yo,
lie.
that thing is coming off like nothing. Huh? As you guys can see, the exhaust is on. These are the welds. It came out beautiful. We put some paint on there. We got Manny Boy putting on the tire. I'm just under here showing you guys because I forgot to show what we did. We ended up cutting from the mid pipe. We ended up cutting a good amount. I'm about to show you guys how much we cut off. And we didn't even touch the muffler. So the muffler came good because that was on an EG coupe. So it was a little longer. So we just ended up cutting this right here. And I'm about to show you how much we cut off. And it came out nice.
Oh, that looks good. I like how it looks.
Yeah. Look at that. Boom. That jones look good. Just say it's stock. When they pull you over, just be like, it's a stock exhaust. But yeah. Go turn it on, man. Go turn it on. You guys ready to hear this thing? Ready? Do it, man. I'll do it. Yo, do it more. Do it more. Here, here, here. Yo. Hell yes. I bet. Let's do it. Let's get a pull on this jump. Take a look at this, guys. He took the plastic dip off. What you guys think? Bronze wheels. Stay right there, Mano. Or black wheels.
Hey, please comment down below and let me know what's up.
Yeah, come on, come on. He wants to know. He wants to know. Look, one more walk around. All right, go for it, Mano. Yo, that Vibrant looks good. You gonna launch it? You should. You haven't launched it, so launch it. Fuck it. Let's see. Fuck it. I say fuck it. Do it.
I'm curious. I'm very curious.
Let's see. Is he coming? Let's see if we hear it. But it's quiet right now. Yes. Sir. This sounds so much better, guys. So much better. Gonna have Giga drive this down so Manoa can hear from the outside. Well, that bronze does look good. It does look good though. Look at that. Yeah, you hear that? What you think? What you think? You excited? You excited?
Hell yeah.
Oh man. That's what we've been needing, man. That's what we've been needing. How do you even feel it? It's not even stuttering, right?
Nah, it feels beautiful.
Yo, hear that? Woohoo! That thing looks beautiful. Look at that. Good, right? Hell yeah.
Dude, no stutters.
Alright guys, so they're about to go on a ride along right here on the turboed B16 hatch. Ooh, we're giving her the juice. Look at that, we're giving her pure alcohol. Just like that. Ooh, filling her up, filling her up. Manoa's about to record. So hell yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little pull on the Turbo EG Jones. Look at that, guys. Hell yeah. Woo! Guys, I hope you guys can hear that. That joint was team.
About to see how it pulls again. It's a little cold right now. It needs to warm up. We'll let it warm up for a bit. That junk is crazy. Better go on another one. Let's feel. Woo. Woo.
She's cold right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spin City, baby, Spin City. Fuck, that don't sound good. Did it leave tire marks? Yeah, zoomed in, I'm zoomed in right there. Let's go. So guys, it is done. This is the finished product. Manoa decided to peel 2 of the wheels. So we have this angle with the exhaust, as you guys heard. Comment down below what you guys think. So much different, guys. So much better as well.
I'm so happy.
Excited, happy.
My boy.
Giga right here.
Appreciate you, bro.
Come check him out if you guys ever need auto body work or even mechanics works as well. But yeah, guys, conclusion, we're in love. Again,
Sounds so much better.
it feels more powerful as well. man. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying tuned. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm glad we were able to get this done today. And yeah, all right, guys. Peace out. We love you guys.
Please like, share, subscribe, and
That's it.
please comment telling me what
color
set I should leave.
what you guys like?
Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all.
Hell yeah. Peace out, guys. Love you.